Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I have this board game. You can buy a similar one from AliExpress. It's very cheap. I will put the link of it in the description of this video. You have 5 pieces of each color, white and black. First, put this cable in this hole, and second one, the game is simple and easy. We have black team and white team. Each one should score point by firing his piece toward this hole here. It's like a mini war. I don't clearly know the rules, but I guess you will win when you pass all your colored pieces, and you should not fire the other one piece. Okay, let's try again. Left hand versus right hand. Let's begin. And here it is, the right hand win. There is some strategy in the game. You should focus and fire very slowly. Don't fire too hard, because you will miss the hole. Take it easy, aim, then fire. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video.